Hello friends, today we are solving sum of root to the leaf binary numbers. So you are given a binary tree and you will need to find all sum of all the leaves from the root to leaf. So given a binary tree, each node has value 0 or 1. Each root to leaf path represents a binary number starting with the most significant bit. For example, if path 0 1 1 0 1 is there, then this could represent 0 1 1 0 1 in the binary, which is 13. So basically, we have to sum up all the binary numbers in the form of integers. So it is like, first we'll go 1 0 0, then 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Those all look, these were the binary numbers, all of the binary numbers, and then they have converted it to integers, and then they sum it up. So we need to implement this. So I will do recursively. Let's see. So I'll write a function named as sum to leaf node. I'll override that. Okay, lead, and I'll provide a string builder so that we can have this at the end. So I'll use string builder. I'll append 1, then I'll append 0, then append 0, then string builder will go to append 1 after 0. So it will be like this. I will be using string builders to store the binary number, and when we reach to this node where root dot left and root dot right are null, at that time I'll return the integer which it is representing. So basically, let's see. String builder if root dot left equals null and root dot right equals null, then what we will do, we'll append the value of last root node, builder dot append root dot val, and then what we will do, we'll convert this, we'll return integer dot parse int. So if you want to convert binary number into the integer, we'll follow this step. So in this, we'll need the first argument as a string builder to string, then 2, because the input is 2 and we want to convert it into decimal format. Okay, so now this will return our integer. So we need to sum those values which are returning from the leaves, like 1 0 0 1 0 1. So integer form of this are returning from this function recursively. So let's return sum root to the leaf. Just turn it first. What we can do is return sum to the leaf. Now root to left, there will be two possible ways, comma, new string builder dot append root dot val, right, plus root dot right will be sending string builder with the appended value root dot val. Okay, Okay, this now we'll call sum to the leaf. We have overloaded this method so that it's quite a readable. Root comma new string builder. Let's run it. Wait a minute. Missing return statement at 20. Yeah, just a minute. Return. What happened? Something is wrong. Yup, it might be. Wait a minute. I'll first do builder dot append. Not well. Then I'll send builder to it. Let's see. Yep, this is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Null pointer over here. Yep. So sometime it might happen that root is null, so at that time we'll return 0. Let's run it. Yep, this is getting accepted. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.